Hi, it's Jason from Bodyworks Physio, here today to have a quick chat about what are the best stretches for doing your calves. So when we're talking about our calves, it actually consists of two muscles. We've got our gastrocs and our soleus. Now, our soleus actually attaches in up under here, underneath, deep underneath the calf, just below the knee. So when we want to stretch that, we want to keep the knee a little bit bent to focus on that muscle. The gastrocs, however, which is the one that gives us our two big heads on our calf, actually attaches just above the knee. So we can often get it confused with a tight bottom of the hamstring, or even sometimes when people tear their calf or have a strain on their calf, they might think that they've actually torn the lower part of their hamstring. So when we want to stretch the soleus, leg at the back, we want to bend into the knee and sit down into it. And you should feel that nice and deeply in the calf here. If we want to stretch the gastrocs, however, keep the leg nice and straight and lean forward, feeling it a little bit higher up here in the calf. You can also alter which side of the calf that you feel the stretch in by changing the angle of your foot either inwards or outwards. Generally speaking though, we want to keep the foot in line with the rest of the body. Other options for stretching the calf can be to do it off the edge of a step. Keeping the leg straight for the gastrocs, bending into the knee for the soleus. And that can really help you get into there. The other option that we have for the soleus is to come down into a kneeling position with this foot here and stretching down into that. Just switching sides so you can see it from the other side. We've got our leg in there and stretching down. When we're doing our calf stretches, we generally say that you should be holding them for at least 20 to 30 seconds if you're trying to increase your range of motion or the length of the muscle, preferably sometimes even longer. You need to repeat these at least 3 times on each side, and if you're doing them as a warm-up before the game, make sure you've had a good cardio warm-up, get into some gentle static stretches like we've done here, but then also do some dynamic stretches into your legs by pushing them backwards, because we do know that dynamic stretches are far superior when we're getting ready for sport rather than just static stretches alone. I hope this helped, and look out for some more tips, including some about strengthening the calves next.